Okay, Grand Rising. I have Amazon unboxing. I am so excited. So let me bring this down some. Yeah. So let's see what we have here. Hope everyone is doing good. Y'all know I am an early bird. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Now, y'all know I love to cook. Okay. I love fancy. So let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. I hope y'all went back and watched my last videos. This is a charcuterie board. Yes. So I said to myself, I was like, what's the difference between a cutting board and a charcuterie board? And I said to myself, nothing. Just a cutting board that you use as a plate. Actually, it is. Think about it. You just eat your food off your cutting board. They just made it fancy. And I got one. These come with, y'all see the little utensils and the meat spread. I'm so excited. And I am going to use this today. Let me bring it down a little more. Let's see. That's Coco. Y'all know she's into that paper. Let's see. Okay. These are the instructions how to use it. What this says. Strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries may stain the board. For best presentation, place fruits on a container before placing them on the board. Okay, so let's see how this baby works. Okay, so we're gonna take I'm gonna bend this down a little more so you can actually see the board. So you can actually see the board. I need to see me so now y'all can see the board pretty good. Okay, you can see the board. Yeah, y'all can see it. Okay, so I am so excited. Y'all know I like eating good food. Y'all know I love cooking. My home is my oasis. I have me a nice vibe. You have to be the vibe. You can't go looking for the vibe. Okay, so. Y'all know I have my home spa. So I'm working on doing a lot of renovations to my home that I inherited from first the Most High and my grandparents. Yeah. Y'all know Coco want to play with this paper. Okay, y'all, look what we have. Okay, so we have the knives here. I want to make sure I'm at the camera. Yes, okay. We have some of the knives. That's the knife. That is so cute. Isn't it cute, y'all? And then we have the spreader. Look, y'all. It is so cute. This is so cute. And I'm going to use this today, y'all. I'm going to use this today. And y'all are going to have to stay tuned for the video to find out what I use it on. This is nice, y'all. Some of y'all may have a charcuterie board. Y'all know what I almost said? Charcuterie. It's not charcuterie, it's charcuterie. Because it's a cutting board. Okay? Y'all look at the little, look at those little forks. I think I'm going to keep I'm going to keep these in the wrappers, I think, so they won't get lost. Also, I'm going to get a container for all my utensils, like all my cooking utensils, you know. Yeah, these are so cute. So it comes with 2 of these. So you use these, you know, to pick up your cheeses, your meats, whatever you have on your board. This is so neat. I love it. Okay. And the brand is Mishop. Mishop. Misoph. Yes, I love it. So let's see what all we have here. So, okay, we'll put these on the side and show those. So look at, I love this because it has a section for everything, okay? So it has the sections here for your cups, okay? Your little dishes. Your little dishes, and I have the little bowls, okay? I've been had those. Hold on 1 second, let's see. Okay. I had these little bowls here, and they fit perfect. They fit perfect. Okay, so that's how that'll look. Okay. I am so excited. Now, I went to Target. Now, you can find a charcuterie board anywhere, okay? I just decided to get this off of Amazon because I hadn't purchased anything from Amazon for a while. But anyway, I was in Target, and you can find the charcuterie boards in Target as well, anywhere. So, but yes, so this is how this would go. You have your little bowls, and they sit right here. But I was in Target, and they had some wooded dishes that will also go perfect. So I will be getting those at some time. But I really want to get some that's the same color as the board, if possible. I'm sure I could find some that's this shade of brown. It's more like a tan. Because the boards, the dishes that I saw in Target was dark brown. But anyways, so this is how that will go. So slot for everything. And then you put your meats, your cheeses, what have you there. Sandwiches. You can put your sandwiches however you want to lay it. Yes. Now, you can also get dishes to go in here, just like you have dishes to go in here, if you want. But if you want to just lay your food in these areas, that's fine too, because you are going to lay your meats in this area. So it doesn't matter however you want to do it. But it's nice to have, little slots for each thing. I love it. I am so excited. I am so excited. This is like an adult lunchable plate. I was on YouTube looking at all the charcuterie boards, and one of the commenters said that is just an adult lunchable. But this is very good for parties. Enjoy by yourself, with family, having brunch, whatever the occasion is. Okay? I love it. So thank y'all for tuning into this video. You all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And first, let me see what it says about how to care for this product, okay? Because that's important. Let's see. Okay, so if you have any problems, you can scan the code here. Let's see what the box says about send for fast customer service response. Send us a message, www.pandal, panpal.com. Okay, let's see how use these. Okay, how to care for your bamboo board. And I love bamboo. Okay, it says use a small amount of dish soap, hot water, and cloth to clean. Do not put in the dishwasher or water. Okay. So there you have it. I love it. Okay, and it also says it's organic, 100% natural, unique design, premium bamboo, and it's eco-friendly. I love bamboo. I love bamboo. Anything. I love bamboo. Okay, so thank you all. Let's bring this up. Let's see if I can bring it up. Okay. So thank you all for tuning into my video. I don't know, I may try this out for breakfast. We'll see. You all have to go back and take a look at my last charcuterie video. Yes, I had lunch on my charcuterie board. Yes, I had burgers and fries, and it was a delicious, delicious experience. So thank you all for tuning into my video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I am dropping new videos.